Hello everyone, Curtis back with AffinityBots. There's been a lot of hype around OpenClaw and deploying agents and deploying to Telegram. However, I've also seen a lot of complaints. A lot of people are saying that it's hard to install, it's hard to understand, it's confusing. So I wanted to give an alternative. Here, AffinityBots can also deploy to Telegram. It's no code, and you can do it in about 5 minutes. We are going to do that today. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is. So let's go ahead and create an agent. We're going to create an agent that does competitive research analysis on companies for me. So let's see, I need an agent that can research companies for me and provide nice competitive analysis reports. Okay, it's about that easy here. So let's go ahead and start building the agent. There we go. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you know it does take just a second here to warm up and start building. So while it is building, I'll explain you do have an editor here. You can edit it at any time. You can edit it in the actual prompt editor itself, so you can do that manually. And while that's building, let's go ahead and just set up our other tools. So you can click right here. We're going to actually set up some knowledge so it knows what company it is researching against. It knows what the competition is, right? Let's add a skill. We're going to add some skills. We've only got one in here. I added it. We do have a bunch in our community, and you can easily add those. But for the sake of this video, I just created this one, and it's one that I built in the agent or the skill builder. Let's go ahead and add some tools. We're going to add some built-in tools here. We're just going to do the web search. We're going to do extract web content. We're going to look for page monitors, page changes, and let's go ahead and save that. All right, our prompt is done. So here is our agent. Let's see, autonomous workflows, defaults, competitor set, targets, output standards. All right, let's go ahead and test it. Let's test this thing. Let's test it in the app. Let's see, can you go do let's see, go do research on the new app that everyone is talking about, OpenClaw. Give me a good report on it. All right, let's go ahead and see what that does there. All right, here we go. And maybe just to explain real quick, here's our model. We do the app is completely model agnostic for at least for OpenAI models, Anthropic models, and Gemini models. Here is our report. I go down. I will do another video on the models just to help explain that as well. There's a lot of demos that I need to do with this app. Here is our comparison report, or our report. And AffinityBots is so new that we are not showing up in that report, but I guarantee you guys we should be in here. So let's go ahead and come down, get our sources. All right, cool. So that provided a really good report. Let's go ahead and deploy our agent. So we're going to go over here. We're not going to deploy it to the web. We're just going to deploy it to Telegram. And I already, for the sake of the video and for the sake of secrecy, created my key. And I'm just going to put it right in there. We're going to verify it. Okay. A name is required. All right. Yeah. Duh. Let's say competitor researcher. Easy peasy. Competitor researcher. Okay, create our deployment. All right, one created. Let's go to Telegram and see. So, all right, I already had the bot set up, so we are just going to go ahead and say start. All right, cool. There's our agent. Who are you? Who are you? Let's see here. Company competitive analysis. Well, great. That's our agent. All right. So let's say do a company analysis on the new AI app out there, OpenClaw. That should do it. All right. Let's see what it comes up with. Should come up with something very similar to what we had here in the app. Of course, because it is the exact same agent. There we go. All right. So there we go. So, same exact, or of course, very close to report. So same agent deployed with tools, skills, knowledge in less than 5 minutes. Thank you guys.